Welcome to Cloud AI Pilot. Let's learn how to install and configure the Cloud AI Pilot MCP server. After you log in, you'll land on the dashboard page. From there, navigate to the Organization Settings section and click on MCP Integration Settings. Identify the API keys section and click the Generate button, providing a relevant name. A dialog box appears with an API key and quick action buttons, Add to Cursor, Add to VS Code, and Copy for Claude Desktop. Let's begin with Claude Desktop configuration. Click the Copy for Claude Desktop button. It copies a code snippet to your clipboard. Then open the Claude Desktop application, navigate to the Settings section, and click on the Developer tab. Click the Edit Config button. It opens a folder containing a JSON file called cloud_desktop_config. Open the file with any text or code editor, find the MCP server section, and paste the copied code snippet inside the curly braces, as shown in this video. If there's any confusion, check our documentation or ask Claude directly. Save the file, close the Claude Desktop application, and reopen it so the updated config file loads. Navigate to Settings again and open the Developer tab to check if the MCP is running as shown in this video. You'll find it running. That's it. The MCP is now configured and you can start testing. In this case, we ran a quick prompt to test the connection and then asked it to report the number of active servers, sites, and apps. You can also ask Claude what else you can do with this MCP. You can manage servers and infrastructure, deployment operations, Docker apps, backups, alerts and monitoring, cost and plans, and much more. Let's now look at how to install the MCP in VS Code Copilot. This is simpler than Cloud Desktop. Switch back to the Cloud AI Pilot tab, and from the same dialog box, click the Add to VS Code button. The browser will prompt you to open Visual Studio Code as click to open it. VS Code opens directly with the Cloud AI Pilot MCP settings. Click the Install button as shown. That's it. The MCP is installed and you can start testing it by giving prompts to Copilot. Let's now look at how to install and configure the MCP in Cursor. Switch back to the Cloud AI Pilot browser tab and click the Add to Cursor button from the same dialog box. The browser will prompt you to open Cursor. Click to continue. Cursor opens directly to the MCP settings with your Cloud AI Pilot details loaded. Click the Install button. It takes a couple of seconds to activate. That's it. The MCP is installed and you can start testing it from a new chat session. After testing, switch back to the Cloud AI Pilot platform and click Done in the same dialog box. You have now successfully configured the MCP across multiple AI applications. Here are a few important things to remember. All MCP activity is recorded in Cloud AI Pilot for audit and safety history. You can view the most recent 30 MCP calls on the MCP settings page, and for complete logs, navigate to the Activity section and click the MCP Activity tab.